Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am sharing with you guys how I have been styling my hair. So my hair is finally getting long enough for me to actually style it in different ways. This is what my hair looks like, by the way, like just freshly out of the shower, letting it air dry. It is so poofy and just blah. So I'm gonna show you guys how I style my hair from this to this. So we're gonna have a little mini glow up with our hair. So if you are interested in seeing how I style my short hair, then just keep on watching. But of course, before we jump into the video, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is JaaackJack. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that way you are notified of future videos and you officially become part of the Little Flower family. So, oh wait, did I even show that? There you go, Little Flower family. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. This whole hair journey has been really fun because I haven't felt what healthy hair feels like in so long. So my hair's been super healthy. I haven't been using any hot tools on it. I haven't been coloring it, nothing. So this is just like my natural healthy hair and it feels awesome. But I don't really like going out like this because this is not so cute. So I am going to show you guys how I've been styling it, and I've taken some tips from my boyfriend Johnny because I don't really know how to style hair this short. So he's kind of given me some tips and stuff. I need to roll up my sleeves for this. It gets a little messy. So I have been using Johnny's products, which, you know, I don't even know if they are cruelty free or anything like that. Ugh. Which I like to stick to products that are cruelty free, but this one I really truly don't know. I just know that this is Johnny's. It's from American Crew. This is the molding clay. Johnny has a bunch of these American Crew products, and he has like a pomade, a gel, all this like different types, but the molding clay I have been liking the most. I will just kind of dig my finger in there like backwards, so like drag my hand that way. So I have a bunch of product here on my hand. Scoop it. It feels like glue. Ugh, that's what it feels like. It feels like glue. So I just rub this in my hand, and instead of just like styling the hair the way, like the direction I want it to go, Johnny told me to just first go all throughout your hair, just like get the product all in there. So just kind of like go crazy with your hair. So like front and back. Sometimes I'll take a little bit more because I don't know if you guys can tell, but I actually have a lot, maybe you can tell, I have a lot of hair. My hair is quite thick, so I usually have to take a little bit more and keep going through my hair. And once you have that in your hair, then you can start styling. And I usually like to do a side part because when my hair was long, I always had a deep side part over here. So I'm trying to get my new hair that's growing in to kind of get used to a side part. So I'm training my hair early. Now I'll start smoothing down the hair. The biggest thing is I for sure want to smooth back my little like sideburns over here. They're getting pretty long and I don't want to like trim them and like I don't want to cut my hair at all. Like I'm trying to make this grow as fast as possible so I can like keep the hair behind my ears as the mullet is growing in. So I picked up a little bit more product and I'm just smoothing behind my ears. I like to keep this part really flat, and then same with this back part. I like to kind of pinch it together in the back and flatten it as much as I can. So this top part of my hair I smooth down to the sides, but then I kind of like spike it up just a little so it has like some texture. Sometimes I like to pull down the little tiny bangs that I have. I like to like bring these forward. This is what I did with my hair in my Rebel Rose Wet n Wild tutorial that you guys liked so much. Like my hair was like super edgy. That whole look in general was just like super edgy and it looked really cool and you guys liked that. And this is basically what I did. It looks different every single day that I do it because I think my hair is growing faster than I can handle. See, I like that little spikiness right there. I think that looks cute. And then once my hair continues to grow, I'll have actual bangs, which I feel like just adds a very feminine touch to kind of like this pixie. Would you consider my hair a pixie cut now? I don't even know. Is this Pixie length now? I can't wait till I get little bangs though, a little bit longer bangs. But yeah, that is basically all I do. I feel like I kind of look like Dietrich's right now. Like the girl version of Dietrich's. Yeah, that is me. So that is it for how I've been styling my hair. Again, it turns out a little bit different every time I do it because, like I mentioned, I think my hair is just growing really fast, which I'm not complaining about, but it's just, it makes it a little tricky to keep up with how to style my hair. So this is a completely new length for me. So if you guys have any tips on how to style this kind of hair length, let me know in the comments below. But this is just basically what I've been doing lately. If you have any cruelty-free hair products that you recommend, please let me know in the comments below because I am in the hunt for some new products to use. Again, I've just been using Johnny's because I don't really know what else to use at this point. But looking forward to reading your guys' comments. Also, if you are looking for more hair tutorials, whether it's this length or other lengths, I have hair tutorials for every single hair length you can imagine. So go ahead and click the link in the cards for the playlist. I will also leave it linked in the description box. I have a whole playlist of all my hair tutorials I've ever done. So there's gotta be a tutorial for you in that playlist. So go check it out and I'll see you guys next time.